So in this way, we're looking for the way going to the Sky Building, and I think we're lost. So we just walk and walk wherever we go and search where is the way going to Sky Building. So it's really difficult when it's your first time in Japan because the communication and the language barrier. So we need to have a translation, and you need to Google so that you can read, and some of them need the translation also when you ask. So still we keep on walking and walking and walking till we're going to find a way to the Sky Building, because it will take time and it's still far, so just follow the way. So follow where all the people are walking, and then we will ask again, and then walk and walk and walk again, and then we are here. We saw the Sky Building, and this is the Sky Building. Filipino. Sila. Shin Umida City.
Okay. Ito ba yun? Ito yata yun? May the Sky Building?
I don't know.
Wait.
Ito yata. So we're going to Umida Sky Building Tower. So dito ba daw? Nandito yung ticket. Yeah, we're going to the Sky Building Tower. You have the ticket. Papa dito, oh, dito.
Ina.
Papa dito.
Sure mo ako kita yung
Excuse mo na kayo. Wow, hindi nalululo si Gia. Oh, Gia, here, over here. I will take your picture na.
Dalawa tayo, be. Come on.
Dali. Go to Papa.
Pwede na picture. Don't want? Oh, you mean?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, go to Papa. I'm gonna take your picture.
Just fix the camera.
Ay, naku, Gianna. I told you. Dun ka.
Come here. Ayaw niya, dalawa lang tayo.
So, June 7, 2024, Kuchutin.
Take a picture of this.
Okay. Okay.
Can I see? Mama?
You and that one. You and your toy. Come on, babe. We will go to Papa. Yeah, I take already picture, ala. Come on.
Hey, can I see that? Mommy, can I
Later on, we'll go to Papa first. So this is the restaurant. Still a lot of people are on the queue. So everyone is hungry. And we are also going to buy some food to eat. You know, may dagat. Doon, oh, may dagat. Maganda doon, may dagat. Dito pa. So we're waiting to have a vacant table because all the table is full. So maraming tao po. So wait lang tayo. Look at down. Oh, it's so scary. Malulula kayo. What a lovely view. Amazing view. See? Dito pa, oh. Yan ang view. Come on. Where's Papa? There na si Papa, oh. Papa, stair ang rooftop. Stair. Papa, wait. Very small. 40. So 39.40 nga.
Buti na lang, may dahilan tayo na stroller.
Bye bye bye. Bye bye stroller. We pound to zoo.
Oh.
Dito na.
Oh, tara, ba tayo? Open.
Hindi, ayaw. Go na.
Mama, look at the elevator.
Yeah, it's not working.
Yeah, I think it's broken.
Dali na, dali. So we're going to the rooftop at 40th floor. Ooh. Dali, dali, baby, go dali. Walk there, walk here. Hoy! Walk there, oh.
Makakaliw na. Baby, don't run.
I said,
Yan, ganda dito mo. Dito ka. Picture muna tayo dito, isa-isa.
Dito tayo dadaan, oh. Pababa. Dito pa, oh. Dito pa.
Nahulog cellphone.
Meron naman yan, oh, sa baba. Padlock. Kaso kailangan ng reservation pala dito. We don't have knock. Kasi they put, that's why there's a reservation kasi they put name pa. Engrave the name. Uy.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
No, you said you will go home. It's very hot na, come on.
Mama, it's okay.
Come here now, it's very hot. Come here now. Okay. We'll take picture pa, oh. Oh, we will put our camera there, oh. Come on. Here, oh. Here, baby, oh.